So Muntazir, we were talking about endurance here. Could you say could you share with us what you just said? What is a universal law, what you heard?
I was just saying about the universal phenomena that in every field it's better to not go beyond your limits, neither go under your limits. Be in your limits, what you can do or what you can achieve. That's your first priority, should be.
Yeah.
Rather than dreaming of something which you cannot go, and which results in neither getting what you can get,
Yes.
or achieving the goal which you have dreamed for.
Great, absolutely. So what I would put to this as a little addition, that yes, all your goals should be achievable. So whenever you put a goal in front of yourself, it should be achievable. And it's nothing wrong that it will getting you out a little bit out of your comfort zone, because that means you need to be learning something new for that. So Usman, what do you have to say to that?
Don't be hopeless.
So how should you be if not hopeless?
You have to do something. I come out and say
Actually,
that do something.
Do something, no matter what, right?
No matter what. Yes.
Actually, hope is a key to success, a way to success. Without hope, you cannot, in fact, move a step ahead. When you have hope, something to go 10 meters far.
Yes,
then you
our
can-
hope is to get to the McDonald's. Yes,
Sure.
it's achievable. So basically, you got to find your tools. The tools, how are you going to get there? So you got to examine that. So once you know your tools and resources,
the way to utilize that tool.
yeah, the way to utilize. Very good. So this is very important part of living a life, and you feel like you are in control of your own life. So basically, thank you so much, guys. We'll be continuing.